Today we are going to replace the battery in this Ford Bronco key fob. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of great videos coming up ahead. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just press this little button which releases the physical key. Now we could use that physical key to pop off this little back cover. There's a little slot there and you can just go in and pry that little piece of plastic up. Once you get it up, you can use the key to get the rest of it off or prop it off with your fingers. And that basically brings us to the battery compartment, and you can see that this is a CR2450 3-volt battery. And now to remove that, just use a little screwdriver and pop it out. And you'll see that you must have the plus side up when you replace the battery, so make sure the plus side is facing towards you when you reinstall a brand new battery. And then we could pop back on this cover. There's a little tab right there on the back plastic piece. There's a little insert for the tab on the key fob. Line that up and then just press together and you'll hear a nice little crunch. And there you go, the whole key fob is back together. Put back your physical key and there we go. And any batteries or anything that I use will be listed in the description. And please subscribe, please give a thumbs up, please comment if you have any thoughts or any suggestions for a future video. I am happy to take suggestions and I will try to create the content. Thank you.